guys, so it's a very beautiful Saturday evening and we are out for a walk and we are searching for an ice cream van. And here's it.
Hello.
So we are searching for an ice cream van that always is in our neighborhood at this time. So we are just, searching right now because we wanted to have that softy ice cream. And then we are just going to Greenwich Park and explore there a bit and then go grocery shopping and all of that. So there's this really beautiful forest that we are going to explore tomorrow. So yeah, it's pretty much excited for that. It's going to be a very relaxed vlog. Look at these roses, so beautiful. Wow. कहाँ है आइसक्रीम वैन? Ice cream van तो आया नहीं. So we are just again strolling. We wanted to have ice cream and Sid is more upset. Wow, the sky today, it's so pretty. Greenwich Park. How beautiful does this look? So we had a great time here at the park and now we are off to some grocery shopping. Guess what? We had been searching for the ice cream van since 1 hour and we finally found it right outside the park and here it is, right behind me. This softie is the yummiest.
So happy.
So happy! Oh, look at this golden car! These are actually Instagram worthy. How cute! Look at the picnic collection at Waitrose. So cute. Wow. So guys, we are done with grocery shopping and now we are off to home and then prepare dinner and also start preparing for tomorrow morning. So see you tomorrow, guys. Hi guys, so it's a very beautiful Sunday morning and as you can see it's very sunny. So we are going to Brockenhurst, as I told you guys yesterday. It's actually a village in New Forest area, which is in the southern part of England. So it's basically a forest area and there's the village. So in the village you can actually rent a bicycle and then explore the forest area. So this kind of activity is something that I really love because it involves nature. I'm going to give you guys complete info about the trip throughout the vlog. So let's just get started. Our first stop is Waterloo Station and from there we are going to take a train to Brockenhurst and it takes around 2 hours to reach Brockenhurst. So let's just get started and I'm Bhago! We have a bus.
So we finally got the train. I initially thought that we might miss it, but it's all okay now. So it's around 1 hour 45 minutes from here. See you there.
See you. get off at the station, they have these kind of boards. So now we are going to Cycle Experience. That is a shop where you can hire the cycle, and I think it costs around £20 per person, and it has got all the kit and everything if in case the cycle breaks down. So yeah, and they also have different kind of trails, like there's this coastal area here, and if you want to go through forest and all of that, so you can just choose whatever you want to choose and then follow the trail. So there are different kind of cycles that you can choose, and there are different price rates. Sid has got a mountain bike and I got just a normal comfy one because I wasn't really sure if I could ride this one. So it took around £37 for both of us, including his mountain bike and my comfy bike. And also we got the gear set, like if in case it just breaks down in the middle of the forest, then we can actually repair it by ourselves and all of that. Yeah, so let's just get started with everything, and I'm super excited.
Turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. This time we got out. Run underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. You're shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild.
Like, it's so beautiful. New Forest is amazing, and look at this cute horse, and there are a lot of ponies there, and oh my god, this place is lovely. I'm so happy to be here.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
Vlogging while cycling, I don't think that's a good idea, but we are in the forest. Oh my god, इतना शांति है यहाँ पे यार.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shanu, for choosing this place.
Yeah, I chose this place.
We just traded for a suit coat and a tie. This time we got out. Run underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild.
So basically we are in the middle of the forest, and so beautiful here. And they were saying that, you know, you can spot deer here, but we weren't able to spot any deer yet. How pretty is this place? This is like most Instagrammable pattern.
Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, the fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild.
So guys, we are back home. I hope you guys enjoyed these days with me, and it was super fun day today. Amazing day trip. If you have kids, then obviously you know, go to New Forest, you know, have that cycling experience. You are going to enjoy it for sure, and also it's great as in a good physical activity. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. So bye for now.
Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off.